Today, we will talk about Save Button in AGen software. In AGen software, Save Button help the users to save the data. Let's take an example in bullet management. Add a new bullet in bullet management and design your bullet. After finished your design in bullet management, save the bullet design with the Save button. Remember to save the bullet design. You can set function for your bullet in this page by clicking the Set Function button. In the next page, you can click on the button to set function. You can choose the Submit Save button to set the button as Save button in the drop-down. Next, in form management, you can find your saved button and fill in the form. Click the Save button to save the form. You can find the saved form in Data, which you can find in the left sidebar. The data will be saved in the table. To know us more, you can visit us at agen.mobi or scan the QR code on the screen.